Hi guys, now I will show you how to climb up with a Descender. First, block the fall arresting system. The fall arresters should work all the way above your shoulder. Grab your hand humor and prepare your foot loop. Put the hand humor on the rope, working rope, and your foot in the foot loop. Use the extra carabiner to connect to the end of the rope and assemble inside the hub hole of the hand humor. Now, rise up with the leg and remove the slack of the rope with your right hand, like this. Don't forget to bring your fall arresting system to the top. Up.